Servicing your customers, customer service audio. When it comes to servicing your customers, sometimes we need to do a little bit of legwork ahead of time to add that extra level of service. If a vehicle breaks down or starts making clunky noises or is not working properly, most people will call their mechanic and say, I need to bring this in for servicing. That doesn't happen with every business. So what you need to do, especially during this time when you're looking for leads and extra profit and customers to buy, is do some extra servicing. So contact your clients or customers, whether that's through your email newsletter, CRM, phone, regular personal email. What had happened the other day is I saw somebody sharing something. They had belonged to an email list. That email list has sent out a special offer where proceeds or partial proceeds were going to help their staff during this time. It was a retail business and they thought it was a really great idea. So they said, I belong to this email list and I just saw them sharing this. So I thought I'd share it in case anybody else was interested. So this type of servicing can bring more people sharing about your business and bring repeat business. It can bring new business. It keeps you fresh into the people's minds. So reach out to your customers or clients and see how you can add that extra level of servicing.